I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. So much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go. To the rhythm.
Alrighty, this is going to be the one time I talk during this entire video. You may be wondering why I'm using nail clippers, and that's... I learned that they actually work pretty well with cutting stuff like this, believe it or not. I've also got some more like nail tools and stuff, and I got some tweezers. I don't know why I said it like that, I'm retarded. this is why you should be careful. Alright, so this is the spoiler that we are installing. After quite a long time, I finally finished the wiring. That took a while, but as you can see, it kind of goes from the top of the trunk and then connects into the third brake light, which is the one in the middle. And you see we got a third brake light here. This should work. If it doesn't work, fuck my life. Alright, here's a little update for you. Drilled this hole, still need to make this hole bigger. This one is fine. I've drilled this side of the car, so this hole is there and I can feed the electrical wiring to it. And this hole I just started expanding so it can fit the clip in there. Well, anyway, let's continue working. Alright, we're almost done. This pretty much fits the clip. I had to widen this hole so we can screw in the spoiler. Again, I'm pretty sure I filmed this part where this fits. And we need to drill this just ever so slightly. This, I think we also do need to drill a bit more, and then that's it. Then I just need to plug it in and hope that the light works. Oh dang. That person died for sure. Look at this Honda. Okay. Dang, this is kind of sad. Yeah, oh, that thing's done. so I saw this Corolla over here. This one's got a spoiler, but it's a different color. Oh, yo, there's more Corollas. That's sad. Honestly, it's sad. You know, this Camry looks exactly like my dad's Camry, only wrecked. I don't know if there's a silver Corolla around here that has a spoiler though, because I saw one last time. Oh, actually this one's black. I thought this one was a blue. Okay, I'm gonna grab that spoiler if I can't find a silver one and just leave it, because I mean I have black stuff on the car, like black badges and stuff. Yo, what's wrong with this one? Doesn't look like this one's wrecked. This one looks perfectly fine. What's wrong with it? There's no way the engine's killed. Oh, yo. Yo, the headlights are fucking perfect, though. Let me grab the headlights off of it. Oh, someone took the door. Yo, this was a grandma's car. I didn't know that. It's clean as hell. The motor's gone. In that case, the motor blew up. I don't know, man. No, the motor's still here. The onesies here. I don't know what happened to it. Who knows? Oh, looks like that thing closed, right? I'm gonna take that spoiler though, if I can't find the silver one. Doesn't look like I can, but still, who knows what happened to it? Doesn't look like it's too bad. Looks like it's still pretty drivable. Oh, yo, it's an LE too, no wonder. No wonder it has the little wood trim on the rear, like this. Right, I mean on the doors. Yeah, Look around, but I'm probably gonna have to come back for that one. Yo, and a Celica too. A lot of people crashed this winter, you can tell, because I came here last year and there's only like maybe half these cars. So people definitely crashed this year. Oh, it is a clip in there. Got it.
Just bend that one. Use that one. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Just have to pull this up and out. That's it. We got it. I need to take this wire with me too, so I'm probably just gonna have to splice into the brake line. There's 1 and 2. Leave that wire there. Because I need this and I need these wires. Okay, I'm just gonna pocket it. Not steal it, pocket it, and then pay later. Okay, this came from Milwaukee, huh? Ended up over here. That's kind of sad. I'm gonna grab those headlights because those are pristine headlights. Some of the best I've ever seen. Yep, I'm gonna go grab them. Oh yeah, these headlights, they're hella good. Really good headlights.